Howdy folks, my name is Caleb with TELUS, and I'm here to answer the question, how do I arm my control panel? At your control panel, if you see this screen, this is just a screensaver, so you can easily tap it to bring up your main controls. And this is the page that we want to be at to arm the system. If you see something else, such as this, just swipe left or right until you come up to this screen with the green lock. From here, you'll tap that green lock, and it'll bring up two options. Armed stay is exactly like it sounds. Someone is going to be staying on the premise, so that means all of the perimeter sensors will be active, like the door window contacts, but the interior sensors, like the motion detectors, will not. So that means that you can get up, grab a glass of water without setting off your alarm. Armed away, on the other hand, is going to have all of the sensors active. So that will be the perimeter sensors like your door and window contacts, and it will also be those inside ones like the motion detectors. When you arm away, it will give you 60 seconds to leave the house. You need to open one of the doors in order for the system to know that yes, in fact, you have left. If you do not, it will automatically switch over to armed stay, assuming that you never left. If you need to add more time, you can simply press the plus 60 to add 2 more minutes. But if you need more time than that, I suggest just canceling out and getting, ready to go again. There are a few other options as well. If you need, you can turn off the exit sound so that it doesn't beep while you're leaving the house, in case, say, you're leaving at 3 in the morning and don't want to disturb other folks. Or the entry delay off will mean that there is no time given once one of the doors is opened for you to get to the panel and enter your code to disarm the alarm. It will go off immediately. This can be helpful if you're away on vacation and you know no one is supposed to be in the house. It also means you'll have to use your app to disarm the system before entering your home. I hope that helps, and thanks for watching us at TELUS.